Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got these two nightstands that we're going to redo for a client. Now, our client already sanded one down. We're going to sand the other one down. First, we need to take the handles off and figure out what paint color we're going to do. Alright, you can see that we have one sanded. We're going to do the next nightstand, get it sanded down. We don't have to go as far as the client did because we're painting these all away. We're not going to stain them. So we're just going to get rid of all the glossiness off this, get it so the paint can grip really nicely, and we'll get it cleaned up and ready to paint. So first we have to sand, so let's begin. Okay, now we've got them painted. We want to put a little scuff on these, so I've actually already done one and got it approved by the client. So what we're doing is just an edge sketch, or a scuff, to give it a little bit of a character. Nice little scuff marks all the way across. So we're just going to do it to the rest of the project now. Okay, now we have it all scuffed up here. Next, we're going to put on our Dixie Belle flat clear coat because we want to keep that flat look. And we're going to do it to all the pieces. And next thing we'll know, we'll have some hardware on this, and we'll put it under the tree to get those final pictures taken. Alright, here they are completed. Supervisors double checked my work. The scuffs look good, the paint looks good, and the clear coat looks good. So, it's ready for our client to pick up. We used a Yankee Blue, we used a flat clear coat, and I think it came out pretty nice. What do you guys think? Subscribe to our channel, like us on Instagram and Facebook, and give us a thumbs up.